Assalamu alaikum dear student. Today our topic is difference between constant and variables and the types of their. We will study the types of constants and the types of variables. Page 43 on textbook. First we see what are constants. Constants are such quantities whose values does not change during program executions. And in C language it has following types. Number 1 numeric constant, number 2 character constant, and number 3 string constant. Now we will briefly see these their definition. First, numeric constant. Numeric constants are of two types, integer and floating point numbers. An integer integer constant contains represent values that are counted. For example, this is integer value 745. Similarly, it may be positive or it may be negative. Similarly, 26. These are integer values. And similarly, part B, floating point. Floating point constants are used to represent values that are measured like 166.75 centimeter, 82.6 kilograms. Here we see that this is a real number and it contains two portions. First, 166 is integral portion and 0.75 is fractional portion. So this number is known as floating point constant in C language. Similarly, here this is a real number. 82 is integral portion, and 0.6 is fractional portion. So 82.6 is known as floating point constant in C language. Next is number C, character constant. Character constant, generally we use single quotes for character constant. Character constant is one of the symbols in C character set. It includes 0 to 9, uppercase letters A to Z, and lowercase letters A to Z. Remember that C is case sensitive. Case sensitive mean here uppercase A have different code and similarly smaller case A have different. Both are different, have their different code, binary code. Similarly, A to Z punctuation symbols such as semicolon, comma, period, and symbols such as plus, minus, equal, greater than. All these character set can be used as character constant by using single commits, single quotes. D, string constant last. It contains a string of characters within double quotes such as here in double quotes there is a statement hello Ahmed. Similarly, in this double quotes there is a word Pakistan. The compiler of C will consider it a string constant. These two are string constant and generally we write the string constant in double quotes and we write the character constant in single quotes. So these are the constants that we used in C language. First numeric constant, second character constant, and third string constant. And in numeric constant we have integral portion integer constant, that are the whole numbers whether it is positive or negative. And in the floating point constant we have the real numbers that contain the integral portion and that also contain the fractional portion. Okay ji. Now what are the variables? Generally variable is a symbolic name that represents a value that can change during execution of a program. This is the basic definition, that it can change during execution of a program. While we have seen in the case of constant that the value of constant does not change during execution of a program, but the value of variable change during execution of a program. So this is the basic difference between constant and variable. Second, variable holds data. Data may be numeric or string. It means that variable hold data of two types. First, numeric data, and second, string data. And this is the third point, but it is another definition of variable. That variable is a section of memory that is allocated a name by a programmer and it is used to store data numeric or string. That we can say that it is a section of memory that is allocated a name. We can assign different name to variables x, y, z by a programmer and it is used to store data numeric or string data. So we can say that there are two types of variable: numeric variables that store numeric data, and similarly the string character variables that store the string data. Now what are the numeric variables? Numeric variables are used to store numeric data such as integer and floating, first integer and second floating point values. Some example of numeric variables are, these are the some example. Sum, generally we store the sum of numbers, average, product. Similarly x, y, z, these are the variables. These are the numeric variables and these store the integer data. Second is character variables. Character variables are used to store character data. Some example of character variables are name, city, gender, etc. And here we store character data. For example, name, it will be characters. City, it will be also characters. Similarly, gender, male or female, it is also character. So character variables store character data and numeric variables store numeric data. For example, sum, it will be an integer value. Integer, it will be integer or fractional value. Similarly, product, generally it is integer, and x, y, z, it may be integer or float. But the character variables, it contains the character data. For example, name, we have to given the character data to the variable name. Similarly, city, it also contains characters. For example, Lahore, Islamabad, Rawalpindi, etc. Similarly, gender, it is a character variable and it contains the character data. So these are the types of variable that are given in your textbook. Now you have to write it on your need notebook and learn it properly. Any question regarding this topic, today topic, you can ask me through WhatsApp, Messenger, etc. Okay ji, thank you. Allah Hafiz.